Hey, what's going on? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, maybe you're checking out Sellfy, and maybe you're wondering, is this a good way for you to generate income online? Let's check it all out. Let's find out if Sellfy is a good way for you to generate some income on the internet. Anytime you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, just click the link below and I'll share with you my favorite strategy. Now, on this channel, I have reviewed literally hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money online. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly. So let's find out if Sellfy is a good way for you to generate income online, or maybe there are better ways out there, right? Let's check it out. So Sellfy is basically a membership platform, all right? So it's a piece of software that will allow creators to create any sort of membership and sell any sort of product on their platform, right? So it's really cool. That means that if, for example, you're a photographer, maybe you're a lawyer, maybe you're an affiliate marketer, maybe you're a drop shipper, right? And you want to create some sort of course or program to sell, then Sellfy is basically a membership platform that will allow you to do that, okay? So if we come down here, for example, you can sell things like video trainings, your ebooks, your PDFs, your audio files, digital art, videos and films, right? So that's one of the main things that they do, but you can also sell merchandise as well. So you can also sell physical stuff, okay? So if you want to sell t-shirts, water bottles, your paintings, things like that, you can do that. And it's got a few different tools that are kind of built in. For example, let me show you right here. So you can use things like their discount codes, email marketing, tracking pixels, they upsell, or they allow you to upsell, right? You've got cart abandonment emails, affiliate marketing campaigns, things like that. These are all pretty basic, honestly, features. In order to sell any type of product online, you need to be able to, number one, house the product. So when somebody makes a purchase, you can actually deliver it to them, right? Through some sort of membership portal, they add their login details, it gives them access. But at the same time, it needs to allow you to sell your stuff, all right? So it has to be able to have a landing page where you can put your material and your long form sales letter or your video sales letter, right? And then it should allow you to upsell, as well as integrate with emails and also integrate with different payment providers, okay? So the payment gateways that they use are mainly two, PayPal and Stripe, all right? So PayPal and Stripe cover most of the world, but unfortunately, there are a lot of other payment gateways out there, but Sellfy doesn't integrate with them. It's only mainly with PayPal and Stripe, okay? And that is pretty much it. It's a very straightforward platform. Pricing plans, starter is $29 per month. I wouldn't even bother with the starter. I mean, if you're just getting started and you're a beginner, then $29 a month makes sense, but this is only up to $10,000 per year, okay? And it's very likely, if you're a product creator, you're gonna make more than $10,000 per year. That's only about $800 a month. You'll very likely make more than that. So the minimum that you'll need is probably the business level, okay? $79 a month. That gets you up to about $50,000 per year, all right? But you may, you may need more than this as well, because this is not even that much. This is like, again, about $5,000 a month in sales, $4,000 to $5,000 a month, right? So if you're doing pretty okay as a creator, you'll probably need the premium at some stage, okay? But even if you use the premium, $159 per month, that's not considered expensive for this type of platform, because a lot of platforms in this space sell for about that anyway. If you're going to be doing a decent amount of sales, you're going to have to spend between $150 to $200 a month on your membership platform builder, if that makes sense. So this is not expensive at all, all right? This is pretty normal prices, okay? So overall, Sellfy is pretty decent, It's a very straightforward, simple to use platform. It's especially good for digital creators. If you're selling some sort of, digital download, a video training program, a course, ebooks, PDF, music, audio file downloads, they're particularly good in that space. Now, if you are, a drop shipper, if you have merchandise, physical stuff that you need to sell, you can also sell it. It's not the best platform for that. There are other platforms that are a little bit better than that, like Shopify, for example, for physical stuff, but you can still use Sellfy to sell physical stuff too, all right? The other thing that I would say that's nice about Sellfy is that the reviews, even though there aren't that many reviews on Trustpilot, which is a third-party review platform, the reviews are pretty good, okay? It's like mainly 5 stars. It's 4.4 out of 5 stars in total. There have been some 1-star people rating it 1 star, but it's only 17%, and it's really not that bad. Most people say it's good, it's easy to use. They've been able to sell their products on here. These are the major complaints. Mainly it's 3 things, okay? Number 1, not a lot. Some people say that Sellfy hasn't improved that much over the years. That means that since inception until now, they haven't really added that many features. It's kind of the same, okay? So the development team hasn't been doing that much, all right? And it is a pretty basic membership platform that works though, okay? The second complaint is that they only accept PayPal and Stripe, which is not that great, honestly, okay? PayPal and Stripe is the minimum in this day and age, but there are a lot of other payment gateways that it should be able to offer, but they don't. They only work with PayPal and Stripe, and unfortunately, PayPal and Stripe don't accept everybody all over the world. All right, so Stripe is in a lot of countries, but it's not in all countries. And Stripe likes to ban people because they don't like digital products. So if you're a creator and you're selling digital products, you might not be able to get a Stripe account, all right? Or you may have used it before and they may have banned you, which means that you can only use PayPal, but also PayPal sometimes bans people. So if you can't get on PayPal or Stripe, then you can't sell products online through Sellfy, which kind of sucks, okay? And then the third complaint is that the templates are pretty basic. Okay, so some people say that Sellfy can do a better job at creating more advanced, better looking templates, and they haven't really done that. But if you're brand new, you're looking for something that's very smooth, that works, that's easy to use, then Sellfy is a great option. It's not too expensive. It's, I think, very competitive in the market. So if you want to check out Sellfy, it's a pretty cool platform, right? But here's a big caveat, all right? If you're watching this and you're a beginner, this is not for you, all right? This is really only for people that already have something to sell. That means you're already a drop shipper, you're already in e-commerce, or maybe you're already an expert and you've already got a program that you want to sell online. That means you've got information in your head and you want to create a course and you want to sell it. If you're an absolute beginner and you don't know how to make money online yet, right? This is probably a little bit too advanced for you because you need to have some information that you want to share with the world in order for you to create a program or information that you can sell on a platform like Sellfy. I hope that makes sense, okay? So if you want to check Sellfy out, if you're the right person, sellfy.com, all right? Now, if you're here right now watching this video and you're an absolute beginner, right? On this channel, I have reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different make money online strategies. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly, and I've tested a lot of them too. Now, out of all the ones that I've tested, there was one that changed my life. I used it to 5 times my old corporate salary. I retired my mom with this strategy. I think it's a great strategy for beginners, people that have never made money online, to start from home. And I've got a free masterclass that will show you how to do this step by step. So if you want to check that out for free, just click the link right below this video and you can check that out, all right? I hope you enjoyed this review of Sellfy. All the best to you. I will see you in another video review. Take care.